Hi everyone, today I'm going to introduce the unboxing of RadioLink LD-B20 and LD-B22 soccer drone. LD-B22 is a bit larger than LD-B20, and their packing list and the user methods are the same, so I take LD-B20 as an example in this video, and the video contains the below parts. 1. The packing list. This is the package box of LD-B20. Open it. Here is the packing list of LD-B20, including the drone. Blue or red color is available. RadioLink T12D transmitter. Agendas, 4S LiPo battery. Agendas, B6 charger. A shoulder strap for the package box. And the Type-C cable for the flight controller and the charger. A hex wrench used to replace the propeller or the motor. LD-B20 comes with RadioLink T12D transmitter. Here it is. Open it. In the basic menu, reverse. You can see both channel 2 and channel 3 are reversed. And enter endpoints menu. You can see all the endpoints of the 8 channels are set to 120. And enter AUX CH menu. Here are the switches from channel 5 to channel 8. And switch A is assigned to channel 5. Push it up to disarm the drone. Push it down to arm the drone. And now it's in the middle. Switch B is assigned to control channel 6. And switch B is a 3-position switch. No matter what position switch B is in, it is stabilized mode. And switch D is assigned to control channel 7. Push it up to turn off the turtle mode. Push it down to turn on the turtle mode. And you can check the detailed manual of LD-B20 to know more details on how to use the turtle mode. And virtual A is assigned to channel 8, which is used to control the LED stripe. I'm going to introduce it later. So these are the settings on the transmitter. For the drone, the red shell here is the tail, and here is the LED stripe. So the opposite direction here is the nose. And put in the battery. Fix the battery with the band. And collect the battery. Make sure the polarity is not reversed. Keep the drone stationary. And here the red LED on the flight controller. A solid red LED on the flight controller indicates that the drone is ready to be armed. Here is the receiver R16SM. The LED of R16SM is in solid light because it is already bound to T12D by default. And for more details on how to bind R16SM to T12D, please refer to the detailed manual of R16SM. And the LED of R16SM is in blue, which means CRSF protocol. If the LED is red, which means sparse working mode, please press the bending button once to change it to blue. Here is the bending button of R16SM. And then let's arm the drone. Make sure the throttle is at the lowest position, and push switch A down to the lowest position. The propellers start to rotate at idle speed. Indicates arm successful. Then you can push the throttle joystick and fly it. When the flight is finished, push switch A up to disarm LD-B20. The propellers stop rotating. Indicates disarm successful. 3. LED stripe switch. LD-B20 has a tail LED stripe. Here it is. VRA knob is used to turn off the LED lights or switch the colors. Turn VRE fully counterclockwise to turn off the lights. You can see the LED stripe is turned off. Then turn VRE clockwise gradually to switch 7 light colors, including purple, orange, red, yellow, green, cyan, and blue. Then I turn it off. 4. Low voltage alarm. LD-B20 comes with R16SM receiver. R16SM supports model battery telemetry function, and during the flight, the battery voltage of the drone can be viewed on the screen of T12D. Here is EXT voltage, which is 16.8 volts. The alarm voltage for the power battery is 14.5 volts by default. When the battery voltage is lower than 14.5 volts, T12D will make DDD sounds as a unit to warn. Please land the drone and replace the battery in time to avoid the over-discharge. 5. Charger. LD-B20 is packed with Gendace B6 charger. Here it is. And this is the battery of the drone. Plug the battery to the charger. And the charger comes with a battery connect cable. Plug in the cable. And collect the battery. Make sure the polarity is not reversed. And plug in the balance port of the battery to the charger. So this is the connection between the charger and the battery. And this is the input of the charger, which is the Type-C port. So collect the Type-C cable. And supply power to the Type-C cable. I connect the cable to the computer. And we need to press and hold the charge button for 2 seconds to start the charging mode. After successfully entering the charging mode, the charger will beep. The charging indicator light will flash. It is flashing. And this is the battery capacity indicator light. It will display the real-time battery status. When the battery is fully charged, the charging indicator light here will remain on. So this is how to use the charger. And that's all about the unboxing of RadioLink LD-B20 soccer drone.